Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial on Scratch. Okay, this software is mainly for kids, but I would also suggest this tutorial for students who are willing to learn programming. Okay, so if you directly jump into higher level programming languages like MATLAB, Python, Ruby, Rails, or some whatever the language you name, it is difficult for you to understand the loop concepts, code execution, and how compiler works in the beginning. Okay, to resolve those problems you can very well spend some time with this tutorial and you can jump to those higher level languages. Okay, so without any further delay, let me take you to this video first. Okay, so this video is all about little introduction about this software, and also I would tell you why we need to learn programming language basically. Okay, these are the two topics I'll be covering in this video. So before getting into those concepts, let us see some small animation, the very basic animation I have made for you. Okay, so see here, octopus is here. Okay, now this octopus is moving. So just watch, I'll be teaching you how to make this animation in future classes. Okay, so now he is moving to the center of the stage and now he is going to speak with you. Okay, so he is saying hello everyone. Now do you want to make animation like this? So then you have landed in the correct spot. This tutorial is all about Scratch software. Okay, now so let us have some whiteboard time. So in this whiteboard we'll be seeing little introduction about this Scratch, and also I'll also be teaching you why we need this programming language, why we need to learn this programming language. Okay, so come on. So I'm just taking you to this presentation part. Okay, so as I said, the Scratch is a block based visual programming language. Okay, and this you have the online and offline version mostly. Okay, so as I said before itself, it is primarily targeted at children. Okay, users of the site can create online project. If you are performing the Scratch coding with the online, then you can create online projects using block like interfaces. Okay, so see the picture below. Have you played this game ever before? Definitely every one of you have played, I guess. Okay, like you'll be trying to construct a castle or any other thing which they have given the small pamphlet with this kind of blocks. Okay, similar to this blocks, you have small blocks, functional blocks in the Scratch software too. You are going to join those blocks and you are going to program. That's it. This is very simple. Okay, so what you have done with your hands, now you are going to do in the computer. Okay, okay. So this Scratch was developed by MIT Media Lab and has been translated into 70 plus languages. Okay, apart from English, it has 69 languages also, 69 languages. Okay, and it has been using in the most of the world by the students or kids like you for learning languages. Okay, so with this kind of languages you will be able to do some animation, games. So very well you can do all these things. Okay, so I guess these many days you will be consumer of a games, like you will be downloading some games from the Play Store and you will be playing, right? So after this tutorial, I'll bet you definitely you will be creating a games of your own. Okay, and also animation for your classes. Okay, so this is my promise in the beginning of the class. You will be definitely able to create all those things in the end of the class. Okay, okay. Now, why we need to learn programming languages basically? So, see here a scenario. In your computer coding class, your teacher asks, okay, like, hello students, welcome to coding class. In this class, we are going to learn computer language. Okay, so if a teacher like me says like this, then what will be the students like you ask the question, first shoot or the first question? Ma'am, computer language, what it is, ma'am? Definitely you will be asking me, right? So why, what does mean by computer language? So won't it understand our language? Sorry, that is our language. Okay, so we are speaking in Tamil, Telugu or some other language, right? So won't this computer understand our language? The students asking me the question. Okay, so give we pingo. Do you understand what I have said? Give we pingo. Do you understand? So let us see what I have said, which means I asked you to give me an apple in Chinese. Okay, so do you understand the Chinese language which I have said to you? No, right? Similarly, so we are speaking so many language. Computer cannot understand all the language. Okay, so it has its own language. If you want to instruct the computer to do something, then we need to learn its language, right? So this is for this purpose only programming language arrived. Okay, so I have translated the Chinese version to the version you understand. So the student is giving me the apple, correct? So as you understand only the language, computer also understand its mother tongue, that is its language. So that mother tongue is called as, that is computer's mother tongue is called as programming language. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'll be teaching you the rest of the things in the next videos. Okay, so as of now I have taught you a little introduction about Scratch, and also I have taught you why we need to learn programming languages. Okay, and also I have showed you a small animation like how the octopus moves and how it speaks with you, right? So these are the things we have seen in this video. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'm just wrapping up this session. We'll meet you in the next session. Till then, take care and bye bye. Okay.